Welcome to my trade desk and my YouTube channel. My name is Steve Gans and I am head trader and instructor at SJG Trades. Before I get into my trading history and what you might learn from me, let me say up front that I am not a web or a social media creature. I'm a trader and I'm a teacher. So if these videos lack a little bit of spit and polish, I think you'll quickly find out that the value of the content will make up for it. I've traded stock, options, and futures for the 30 past years, and I've helped two option software companies to fine-tune their products and then also help traders get up to speed on the use of those products. I had also done one-to-one coaching with students and taught classes in California and Hawaii for one of the largest trading education companies on the planet. And what I learned there was really sad. I can't tell you how many people in their late 50s, 60s, and even 70s showed up to my sessions telling me that they had $20,000 or $50,000 saved up for retirement, and they wanted to learn to trade so they could support themselves on those amounts for the balance of their years. Now, some of those people had extenuating circumstances that put them in that position, but most were simply never educated about our markets in any way at all. The fact that so many people are unprepared for retirement is, in my opinion, a failing of our U.S. education system. Now, I graduated from college with a business major and finance minor, and even in that environment, the subject of investing or managing assets or evaluating risk and reward was never discussed or taught. So it's no wonder that your average person has either been seriously misled into get-rich-quick trading schemes or to think that they can instantly learn to trade a $50,000 account and support themselves for years to come. I'm sorry to say that's just not the way things work. Now, all that said, it's my goal to try to help people get involved in our markets as early in life as possible so that they can start building wealth over time and have skills honed a bit so that when they decide to retire, they'll have a comfort level with the trading and investing method that they're using, and they can rely on those skills to provide or supplement their income in those retirement years. At the start of 2023, I decided it was time to step out and do my own teaching. So welcome to my YouTube home, and be sure to also check out my website at sjjtradesaswell.com. On my website, you'll find that the heart of my offering is two specific trading groups of like-minded traders sharing with each other, and everyone in those groups will also have exclusive access to me as well. Note that I'm not a day trader anymore, and I don't like making trades that require me to stick to a screen all day. So both of these groups are designed to be checked in on once a day in most cases, so that people can go about their normal lives of working, playing, etc., while these trades tend to do their thing, which is largely theta decay or time decay. The two groups you will find on my website are a small ball options alert group, which is focused on newer options traders with smaller accounts, and where I will strive to provide more explanation around the trades and work to keep all those trades so that they can be scalable to $250 or less in maximum risk. We could have anywhere from 1 to 10 trades open at a time, and trades could last from 1 to 30 days in most cases. Now, we're also going to have a large index options alert group, which will be focused more on trading larger indexes like SPX for income. Most trades will have at least $2,500 in risk, and they can be scaled up or down in size, and we could have anywhere from 1 to 6 trades open at a time, and those trades will last from 14 to as long as 78 days. One of the things you will find very unique with my alerts is that rather than just sending you an order with no real concept of why that specific trade or adjustment was sent to you, I'll be providing a detailed video that will last from 2 to 10 minutes, where we will evaluate the technicals of the chart, and I'll explain everything about the trade or adjustment. And in some cases, I may also share alternative adjustments you may want to consider in case your opinion on that trade is a little different from mine. Each weekend, I will also prepare an overview video on the trades that we have opened, adjusted, or closed in the prior week, and talk briefly about upcoming market expectation and trade plans as well. I've posted many of these trade alerts here in my YouTube channel, as well as my weekend updates for people to get a sense of what this is all about and how it works. In addition to the 2 key alert groups, I'm also working on a series of deep dive classes on the standard trades that we use in both alert services. I'll be starting with a deep dive butterfly class, and then we'll move on to a deep dive calendars and diagonals class. While the deep dive classes are not a prerequisite for the alert service, if you find yourself not fully understanding what is happening in some of the alert trades, you should certainly consider taking these deep dive classes, as we will reference their content regularly throughout the alerts. If you'd like to get a more detailed sample of the value of specifically butterfly trading, let me know via the link at the end of this video, and I'll get that sent out to you right away. Thank you again for stopping by my YouTube channel, and please also be sure to check out my website at sjgtrades.com. Thank you.